everyone. Just come to share with you another ephemera pack I've put together, or a journal ephemera pack. Again, this is different to the rest of them. They'll never be two the same, just because of what I have in my stash. So I'm going to show you this bundle first. So I'm just going to sit that out of the way. So to start with, I have printed off some of my ephemera, vintage receipts ephemera that I have in my shop. So you'll get that. There is 13 pieces here, and I will show you them quickly. If you want to purchase these individually, they will be in my shop. So there's these two, and there is this one. There is these three here, and this one. These are obviously, I've coffee dyed the back of these because obviously they've been cut up, and it's a little bit difficult to do it once they've been cut up, because I think sometimes the coffee or tea, because I brush it on to my paper on the reverse, it kind of saturates through, but that could be a good thing if you want a really grungy look. And these were obviously originals, and they've been scanned and enhanced. And I've got some more to do, but I have been had problems yesterday scanning these. I don't know why. Well, I think I know why. I had some help from Andrea again, who's Artie Mays, because she's so clever. I always go to her asking questions. So we have this paper bag that you could alter and put a journal in, or you could do whatever you like with it. Got a packet here of some baker's twine in the green, blue, yellow, or a lighter blue and a pink, so I threw that in as well. There is some index cards and a library card. There is another library card here. There is 4 guest checks. There's a large guest check there. A bridge scorecard. There is, this is like some form of receipt. It's got 2 layers there, where you would normally put the carbon in between. There is 2 of the squared index cards, 2 of these notebook pages. There is 4 in total of these envelopes, which are obviously from a map. I've actually got quite a few of them, so I thought I would throw some of these in. You just have to glue them together. The reason I haven't is because sometimes some people like to add these into the centre of their signatures. There's the large ones, and you could turn them around and reverse them, because obviously there's map on both sides. So we have 2 of the large ones. Then there is some dictionary, vintage dictionary pages, and some more here. There's 2 of them. There is 2 Edith Holdens. There is 4 pages of the Pitman's shorthand, and this is some more just vintage book papers. There's 5 there. I thought there was 4, but you got 5. There is 2 of these large flower pages, and that's the other side. They're really huge. And that one. Then you have 2 lined coffee dyed pages, 2 squared. And then there is 10 coffee dyed pages. Now, when I say coffee dyed, they are just exactly that. They are not stained. They don't have, you know, loads of like really heavy grungy marks on them. They come out as they come out. You know, if you want to, you could restain them if you liked. So then here we have some Project Life cards. So there's 2 of these, and they're just gridded on the back. And then we have this one here. Again, this is there's dots on the back of that one, and this one here, squares. This one, dots on the back of that one. dots and dots. So there's dots on most of them. There is it 4 different designs of doilies. So there's 4 of these ones. Then there is 4 of these ones. And 4 of these ones. Or possibly 5. I think there's 2 there. That one's stuck together. So you're getting an extra. It can be quite fiddly to separate sometimes. There's 5 of them, could be 6, nope, 5. 5 of these ones. 4 of these, which are the larger ones. There is some napkins, so we've got that one. Oops. And this one here. This one with the butterflies. Oops. And this one here. It'd be really nice to cut all these little ones out and decoupage them onto your book pages or whatever, journal cards or whatever. There is a little glassine bag, little tiny one, and a little glassine envelope. Here we go through the paper bags now. So we have one of these, and it's like a jelly bean soup, but it's not. 2 of these. These are like waxy. This popcorn bag. Could fold that up, decorate it all, and make it a pocket in your journal. It's gusseted outside. Then there's 2 of these. They're like little mini lunch bags, block bottom. You could just turn them into little pockets as well, or keep them as they are. You can still have a pocket there, but it's just not going to go right down to the bottom. So there's 2 of them, and they're obviously gusseted as well. And then there's this one. Isn't that pretty? We have this paper bag. Then there is 4 of these, which you can coffee dye or tea dye. They do come out lovely when they've been tea or coffee dyed. The feeling, the noise, everything. There is 4 of the pink ones again. You know, tone them down a little bit by tea or coffee dyeing them. There is 2 of these little ones and 2 of the larger ones, and then we have this one here. Now on to envelopes. Envelopes, we have this one. There is 2 of these coin envelopes in that size, and then there's 2 in a smaller size. There is this envelope here, 2 little blue ones, 2 little brown ones, 2 white ones. It's got a little coffee splodge there. So there's 2 of them. Then there's 2 of these. These are like the larger, like coin envelopes, I would say. 2 window envelopes, and then one of these large ones, which has got the sticky tape on here because it's obviously sticky behind there, but if you wanted to take that off and run some washi tape or even some pattern paper along there so that you can use the envelope and it's not glued down, you could coffee stain that as well. So that is everything that you'll get in this kit. I think I'm going to make some journals tomorrow, maybe tonight, who knows. Excuse me. I'm kind of running out of stuff now. I'm going to go hunting at the weekend for some bits and bobs to make some more kits with, like books, and see what else I can get my hands on. So that is everything that you will get. I'm afraid there's only 1 of them today. I did have 2 yesterday, and I know they're going super fast, but it kind of is what it is. I will try and get some more done when I get some more things to throw in with them. If you have any questions, like I said, it will be linked below where to find this in my shop. And if you wanted to purchase the receipt ephemera kit, then you can buy that separately as a digital download. In fact, if anybody wants these printed out and posted to them, contact me on my website and ask for it. The reason I won't advertise it on there is because of the shipping prices. The shipping prices would be like way more than it would actually cost to actually send it. So I can do like private orders for these if you wanted, say, a couple of sets of these printed out. And what I do is we can come to an arrangement through PayPal, or send an invoice if you just wanted the printed copies, because like I said, it's the website's really weird, but it only allows me to change things for weights and stuff like that. But I've kind of worked out roughly how much my postage is for different places, and it's pretty accurate at the moment. So I will do these privately if you wanted them. That is, you might not want them, but just in case anybody did. I can't even speak today. I'm having a hell of a day, paintbrushing the tea, phone in my hand and walking around looking for my phone. It's just been one of them crazy days, and I had a great sleep last night. Maybe that's what it is. I'm probably better working on less sleep than I am more sleep. So anyway, yes, here it all is, and I'm gonna go now before I keep rabbiting on about nothing. Right, speak to you all soon. Bye.